sa Ho Chi Minh City.
Saigon.
Saigon.
Kaso lang, banh mi.
Una namin natagpuang street food ay parang French bread something. Banh mi na may gulay-gulay, cheese, and nandito kami ngayon sa Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. At nandito kami ngayon sa aming tour bus going to Mekong River. So, ayun, it will be a whole day tour at mag-explore kami ng Mekong River at kakain. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Mekong Delta or Mekong River kung saan kami ay nagbo-boat tour. Tingnan nyo guys, andyan yung mga coconut trees, water coconut. Hi guys! Welcome back! So guess what? Nandito kami ngayon sa... Baby say hi! Nandito kami ngayon sa sleeper bus sa Phnom Penh, Cambodia. So this is our third day, our second leg for our Indochina birthday trip. And naubos lang yung maghapon namin, yung third day namin, going to Cambodia. Kasi umabot kami ng more than 8 hours na biyahe sa bus. Ang dami isang stopovers. And then nag-antay pa kami ng next bus going to Siem, which is pang 11 p.m. pa. E dumating kami dito 7 p.m. So hindi kami umabot. And we will be traveling for 6 to 7 hours. So mga umaga na kami darating doon. And napaka-effort dahil sumablay sa schedule yung bus namin. So bad trip. Pero wala kayo magagawa. Kundi enjoy na namin doon. So nakikita niyo naman, diba? Ayan. Napakasikip. Malibag pa kataon. Napakakikot. Bawal dumalaw. Bawal dumaling. Bawal dumagal ng pwesto. Otherwise, makukulog ka kasi malalim. Nakakagula. Masikip. Wala kang masabi sa sikipan. Pero hindi pinakasama ko ito. So, yun lang sa ngayon. Napakahirap pero wala kaming choice. Ginusto namin ito sa pagtagaan namin. Yun lang. I'll give you an update later. Mas mura naman to compared sa mag-rent ka ng private tour sa club. Anyway, kasama na doon ng refreshment, maraming tubig kasi mainit sa temples. And reminder lang guys, hindi po pwede doon labas mga hita at balikat. So, nag-suot ako ngayon medyo matino para lang papasok ako. And it will be a whole day tour hanggang 5 p.m. I guess. Marami yung temples, so kasawa kami. Lalayo pa ba tayo? Hi, baby!
Yung mga ancestors.
Bye, baby! Temple!
Ano video?
Check that out, guys!
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules? Whoa, honey, am I perfect?
So, this is our second day here in Bangkok. Dumating kami kahapon lang, around 7:30 p.m. or almost 8 p.m. And inabot kami ng more than 12 hours na biyahe. As you can remember, ganun din na nangyari sa amin from Vietnam going to Siem. So, same thing, inabot din ng 12 oras dahil napakahaba ng pila namin sa immigration, almost 3 hours, plus pa ang dalawang lipat ng van and multiple stopovers na walang katapusan. So, ayun, dumating kami kagabi, nagpahinga lang ng very, very light at ngayon gumising kami ng maaga para sa aming palace tour.
Keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa.
Guys, welcome to the Grand Palace, Thailand! Pakita namin sa inyo guys kung gaano siya ka-grande. Tingnan ninyo. Gold! Mahihiya ang alahas at ginto sa Saudi. Tingnan nyo. Ayan guys, Alright.
It gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Kami ngayon sa Grand Palace. Nakita niyo naman kung gaano ka-grande. Intricate designs, gold, everywhere, marble stone, napaka-grande, napakalaki, napakalawak, napaka-grandioso. Hindi kita katakaan na ang ticket ay napakabahal. So yun na.
Yeah, I'm disgusted with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging.
Hi guys, welcome back. So as you can see, nandito tayo ngayon sa Sanctuary of Truth sa Pattaya, dito sa Thailand. Nakikita nyo ba kung gaano kaganda, kung gaano kalaki yung complex, kung gaano ka-intricate yung wooden design nitong entire complex. Nagawa daw siya sa wood, entirely wood without nails. Ginawa raw to para sa kapayapaan, layunin na magkaisa-isa at magkaroon ng kapayapaan. Inner peace, kumbaga. Maganda ang layunin, maganda ang building. Yun lamang sa ngayon.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies.
nandito kami ngayon sa Pattaya. So, ikikot lang kami sa Sanctuary of Truth na napakaganda at napakalawak. Yun lang, see you later. Bye!
Hold tight, dripping lights paint the sky.